Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting yet challenging world of Forex trading, where we'll uncover the only tools you need to kickstart your trading journey. Whether you're a beginner eager to grasp the basics or a seasoned trader looking for a refresher, this video is for you. Forex trading is a dynamic and potentially rewarding endeavor, but success largely hinges on equipping yourself with the right tools. Imagine embarking on a journey where a reliable trading platform acts as your compass. Platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5 offer robust features that empower you to trade efficiently and confidently. From user-friendly interfaces to advanced charting tools, these platforms ensure you navigate the Forex seas with precision and ease. Now let's talk about the lifeblood of any Forex trader: staying informed. An economic calendar is your best friend when it comes to tracking pivotal market events. Interest rate changes, employment data, and inflation reports can greatly impact currency prices, and having a calendar at your fingertips allows you to anticipate and react to these movements with agility. But let's not stop there. No trader should underestimate the importance of calculating risk and optimizing strategy. Pip value and position size calculators are indispensable tools that help you manage your risk exposure and position sizes strategically. With these, you can strike the perfect balance between potential profits and manageable losses. As we proceed, remember that trading thrives on continuous learning and collaboration. It's crucial to engage with other traders, dive deep into market analyses, and refine your strategies based on shared insights. That's why I encourage you to subscribe to our channel, where you'll find a wealth of knowledge and community-driven ideas to elevate your trading game. The key to unlocking the intricacies of Forex trading is through meticulous chart analysis and reflection. Charting software such as TradingView allows you to spot trends and patterns, developing strategies that cater to your risk appetite and market conditions. And don't forget the power of a trade journal. Documenting your trades provides invaluable insights and a pathway to consistent improvement. Before we wrap up, it's essential to underscore the pivotal role of timely information. Real-time news feeds keep you abreast of geopolitical developments and economic shifts, empowering you to make timely, informed decisions. By staying informed, you can adjust your approach and shield yourself from unnecessary risks. As we conclude, remember this: trading is inherently risky. It's vital to trade responsibly and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. The Forex market is a world of endless possibilities, but it requires diligence, continuous learning, and an open mind. Thank you for joining me today. With these tools in your arsenal and a commitment to lifelong learning, you're well on your way to achieving your Forex trading goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies. And until next time, happy trading, everyone.